Hey Lash Loves! On today's segment of COM, Carrollwood's Lash Minute, we will be taking you on a client's journey through our studio. Join our guest and her stylist, Tara, during her amazing lash experience.
All right, my dear, for the first 48 hours, no sweat, no tears, no steam, no water until Friday night. That's when you begin to wash your lashes twice a day, 2 times each. Avoid sleeping on your stomach or your side.
Okay.
No waterproof mascara or eyeliner. Only use oil-free makeup remover. If you work out, wash your lashes before and after workout. If you have any irritation with eye drops,
Okay.
do you have any questions for me?
No, you did such an excellent job. I can't wait to see my lashes.
Stay lashy, and remember, don't let anyone with bad lashes tell you a thing about life.